I am Tino Christine at Gudie Village, Parish, Gudie Sub-County, Bukedea District. Before I joined Gudie Leisure Farm, I was a tailor. So after getting those information about Gudie Leisure Farm, I left that. Then I came this side because I want to get more skill and knowledge about my future. I got information from my leader, counselor. Then after counselor, one day chief also got my number and he called me. I have learned how to make a brooder. Before you bring your chick, you first defect the brooder to avoid other diseases. And I also learned how to handle a chick before, like a 1 day old, and how to vaccinate them. When I go back home, I've got some knowledge about it. So during vaccination, we're supposed to vaccinate them after every week. I have learned again some activities, how to start your own business, like poultry, like stocking. In poultry, if you want to start your business, you're supposed to stock something. From day 1 up to 1 week, they are going to eat different feeds. Then after one week to 4 weeks, even their food are going to be different from these ones. So, but when you give them food, the drinkers, you make sure that they are clean. So to avoid them, for us, we care than treating them. You make sure that you keep your things clean, even where they are going to sleep. Even a brooder, make sure that it's not wet to avoid the coccidiosis. Apart from poultry, I have learned how to make pads, necklaces. After my committee, I'm going to teach my fellow women how to make their own business and help them also to improve on their standard of living. My message to Gudie Leisure Farm, I have appreciated them, that I thank them the way they have given me knowledge and skill. Now I have also have at least the way I can survive in this world.